Yo guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is day 2. We've got handsome McDadderson over here.
4:30 in the morning.
Oh yeah.
Sunrise is coming in 2 hours time.
Is, obviously up because he's got lots of work to do and I just couldn't sleep. So now we're having some muesli for breakfast. We'll probably eat some more later because, well, I don't know if you've seen his stomach, but he definitely doesn't eat just one breakfast. Oh wow, that is... You can tell. So we're going to be eating at least 3 breakfasts today. And, yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys at our second breakfast.
Here we have the amazing Swiss sunset. Yeah, I don't... You guys can look at it for yourself. I can't even explain it. It's nice. You guys can see the lake. It is actually pretty warm. Not outside, but in the lake right now. Yeah, for our second breakfast, you guys see we've got some nice Swiss bread with some raspberry jam and some butter. Swiss butter is very good. Very, very nice. It's in there. And, yeah, we had this earlier, if you guys remember the muesli. And then we've actually got fried rice coming because why not? So we are about to start going on our bike ride. You guys can see the professional bikes here. We got the professional biker.
This is the Amazing Maniac one.
20 years ago maybe. And then we got the electric bikes for the noobs. Obviously we're not taking that. Oh yeah, noob. And yeah, so we're gonna be going on the bike ride. I got a GoPro Hero 7 that is nice. I'm gonna get some good footage for you guys. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on the ride.
When did you get back from Beijing? I gotta know. Ooh, Molly, are you stuck in nostalgia like me? I wanna know. Darling, am I dying? Feel like I've been holding on too long. Ooh, Molly, are you stuck in nostalgia like me? Miss your cherry kisses on my chin. Ooh, Molly, are you stuck in nostalgia like me? No matter where, Molly, I'm always with you in my head. Ooh, Molly, if you're stuck in nostalgia like me.
No. Ow! Ah! Oh, it's your freaking balls! Ow! It stings! Oh, Zach! Ow! Oh, by the way, you guys don't know why I keep falling. It's because I'm clipped in. You guys... Balls.
Yeah.
snackish kind of thing. He's got some beer, Big Man, and I've
Is
got
it Swiss
some
beer?
apple juice. Cause
Apples
Got
off.
lots of beer.
nice.
Some birds, some very nice birds over there.
Yes. I think you all can see that I didn't push myself at all. I just obviously was just going easy. It was a good day.
Yeah, his dad is having an easy time. I'll put a couple more lights on.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so it's just it's Amazing Maniac #1. Number 7 was didn't quite make it. He sort of fell off a couple times.
It's fine.
But age makes all the difference. Older man, the better.
Well, I don't know about that one. Pizza dough. We just made the dough, and now we're getting the oven ready. You guys can see Master Jocelyn bending over.
She asked you.
And yeah, here's the pizza oven. You guys remember last year?
I guess here.
If you were here last year, it's a nice Italian pizza oven. And yeah, so we gotta mold these and get them into place. And get the pizza. You guys can see my finished pizza. We got some tomate. We've got some mushrooms. We got some good cheese. I'm not sure what kind of cheese it is. It's this kind of cheese, gratine or whatever. And then we've got mozzarella, obviously, on top. I think I said that. And tomatoes. I said that too. Okay, I think I have Alzheimer's. And this is the rest of the stuff that we're gonna be putting on the rest of the pizzas. So we've got all the pizzas set right here. We're gonna have to be making those as well. Putting this in now, and let's get ready to eat. Here it goes. Yep, that is
Stuck.
working.
But we put flour on.
It doesn't seem. I think my cheese has fallen off. Oh, I think the professional. Oh, it's nice job, professional. Okay, it's getting way too hot. I think my phone's gonna melt. Okay, we gotta make the next one quick.
So put the next one on there.
Moving,
Got to be 2
moving,
minutes
moving.
before this is
More flour.
done.
Wow, what a hottie. I love that
flour.
nice hairy chest.
Everybody-
We got the pizza right here. We got two
Okay.
vloggers. We got a vlogger there, and we got a
vloggy,
vlogger
vloggy,
here.
vloggy, yeah, maybe he's vlogging.
Nice.
So nobody watches either of your vlogs, so
Ah,
Just a
that's-
photograph.
it's a shame.
Okay, Sydney.
Wow. Okay.
Ethan.
Oh, we got another vlogger.
Pumpkin, look.
Nice food.
We got more pizza now. We got this pizza, we got this pizza, we got... That's the pizza we had before.
Here we have Le Beautiful sunset. And this is the view, of course. We're going to be going on a boat, I think, to this island tomorrow. And then we're also going to be working at the farm, which is down there. Right now I'm actually... Is he recording? What is he doing? Okay. But, yeah. Oh, God. We are right now on a nighttime walk. You guys cannot see anything. Nice. We just passed a few soccer courts and tennis courts and stuff. I don't know where our house is, but yeah, whatever. What are you gonna do? Hopefully you guys are enjoying these vlogs. If you are, thanks for staying in them so long. We still got a lot more to go, so keep on watching. Happy 4th of July to everyone in America. And everybody is 26 viewers. So, yeah. You guys can see the little horsey here.
That's not a big horsey.
Reach.
You guys can barely see him, but get a nice picture. Hello. Hello. Oh.
Go backwards, it's better like that.
Cutie one. Yep, there's a lot of horses over here. Got the horses in the bag. Oh. Oh. God, it's a nice snout you got there. Here's the entrance to my dad's business or whatever he has. It's called AIPMO. You guys can look him up. AIPMO, man.
AI PMO.
Yep.
If you want a PMO certification,
Feel free to go check him out. It's Big Man Teaching. I mean, what's to miss? It's the big office. Nice. Oh yeah. Okay, thank you all so much for watching this vlog. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Before I go, I just want to show you guys what happened to my arm. You guys can see it is a little messed up. My back and stuff is also pretty scratched up. Maybe you can see that a little bit, but yeah. What are you gonna do? It was a fun day. You guys saw that nice biking montage. It was pretty good. I mean, it took me like 4 hours to edit it, but it's all good. It's all good. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, bright and early. Peace out. Good night. Oh, and by the way, our suitcases still aren't here.